Dear students, welcome you all to my Easy Chemistry YouTube classes. Here I am going to discuss about BSc 3rd semester Karnataka University Dharwad DSc Chemistry syllabus. Here the first unit is chemical bonding and chemistry of S and P block elements. In that the first concept is chemical bond. Explanation of physical properties of metals, that is conductivity, luster, malleability, ductility and cohesive force. Based on free electron theory, band theory of metals to explain conductors, insulators, extrinsic and intrinsic semiconductors. Next concept is hydrogen bond. Definition of hydrogen bond, properties and types of hydrogen bond, consequences of hydrogen bonding. Next point is van der Waals forces. Definition and types of van der Waals forces, factors affecting the strength and magnitude of van der Waals forces. Next, chemistry of S and P block elements. General characteristics, anomalous properties of lithium, diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium and beryllium with aluminium, preparation, uses, structure and bonding in diborane, borazine, boron nitride and carboranes, silicates, classification and structures. Preparation, properties and structure of oxides and oxyacids of nitrogen, preparation and bonding in oxoacids of phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine, interhalogen compounds, preparation and bonding in BRF3, ClF3, iodine halides, xenon compounds, XeF4, XeF2, XeF6, XeOF4 and XeO3, etc. So this concept is too difficult. Okay. Here second unit is aromatic hydrocarbons, alkyl halides, aryl halides and alcohols. In that first concept is aromatic hydrocarbons. Preparation of benzene and alkyl benzene, aromatization, cyclic polymerization of ethane, hydrodealkylation, Wurtz-Pettig reaction, general mechanism for electrophilic aromatic substitution, examples of halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Prideaux-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction, limitations of Prideaux-Crafts alkylation, theory of orientation, explanation on the basis of stability of sigma complex using electron withdrawing and electron donating groups, explained with the energy profile diagram, oxidation of side chain, benzene with alkyl groups, CH3 means methyl, propyl and 1,4-dimethyl benzene. Next concept is alkyl and aryl halides. Alkyl halides, relative reactivities of halogen in alkyl halides, vinyl halides, allyl halides, aryl halides and alkyl halides, nucleophilic substitution reactions, SN1, SN2 reactions and their mechanisms, stereochemistry and comparison, SN1 reaction and mechanism. Next concept is aryl halides, synthesis of aryl halide from phenols, Sand-Meyer's reaction, Getterman reaction, Raskis-Hooker process and Balz-Schaiman reaction, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions, SNAR, SN1 and via benzene intermediate along with mechanisms. Effect of nitro substitution on aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions. This unit is also too difficult except all this first point. Here next concept is alcohols, synthesis of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols using Grignard reagent, and here ester hydrolysis, reduction of aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids and esters, reactions of alcohol with halo acids, esterification reaction and oxidation of alcohols with PCC, KMNO4, concentrated HNO3 and dichromate salt and Ophener oxidation. Next, diols, oxidation of diols, mechanism of pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. In this one, pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement is very important. And next concept is that is unit 3, thermodynamics, distribution law and surface chemistry. Here thermodynamics 1, thermodynamic process, heat, work and internal energy. First law of thermodynamics, concept of enthalpy, derivation of work done is isothermal and adiabatic expansion, TV and PV relationships of an ideal gas for reversible and irreversible processes, numerical problems, Joule-Thomson effect and its derivation, Joule-Thomson coefficient and its derivation, effect of temperature on enthalpy of reaction, Kirchhoff's equation. Next, distribution law, Nernst distribution law and thermodynamic derivation of partition coefficient, distribution law for changes in molecular state, association and dissociation. Applications in solvent extraction, simple and multiple extractions, derivation for multiple extractions, numerical problems. And last concept here, chemical and ionic equilibrium, law of chemical equilibrium and its thermodynamic derivation, factors affecting equilibria, Le-Chatelier's principle, relations between Kp, Kc and Kx for reactions involving ideal gases, ionization of acids and bases, hydrolysis of 3 types of salts and derivation for determination of pH of their solutions, numerical problems, common ion effect, solubility and solubility product of sparingly soluble salts. Last unit is industrial chemistry 1. In that, here principles and processes of metallurgy, minerals, ores, steps in metallurgy, crushing, concentration, calcination, roasting, smelting, reduction, refining. Characteristics, uses and limitations of Ellingham diagrams for reduction of metal oxides using carbon as reducing agent, hydrometallurgy, extraction of titanium from ilmenite, chromium from chromate, nickel by Mond's process and tungsten from wolframite, extraction of thorium from monazite sand and uranium from pitchblende, powder metallurgy, preparation, uses and advantages. Alloys, purpose of making alloys, preparation of alloys, alloy steels, ferrous alloys, specific effect of alloying elements, applications of alloy steels, non-ferrous alloys, composition, characteristics and uses of copper, nickel, zinc and aluminum alloys. ಇದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ DSC